Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making spicy honey mustard chicken. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Come with me and let's cook together. Thank you. For our ingredients, we'll be needing our onion powder, garlic powder, bell pepper powder, white pepper, pink salt, ginger powder, chicken stock powder, all-purpose seasoning powder, and cayenne pepper, oil, mustard, honey, and our chicken. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking. First, I'll go ahead and marinate my chicken, my salt on my chicken. Now add some oil. I'm going to set this aside and then start with my seasoning. I'll go ahead and mix all the ingredients together. Like this. Mix all the ingredients together. The flavors here, and these are really natural spices. Everything is natural, no artificial here. It's in wow. Then I'll add some oil. And I'll mix it together. Just have a look. Now everything has mixed together with the oil. We'll go ahead and baste everything on our chicken. And say, aha! This is the moment of truth. You just baste everything on this chicken. Just go ahead and baste it on the chicken. Just turn it around. Baste everything. Chicken. Just say, fire your home. Just baste everything and make sure that everywhere is covered. So baby, I cover with some spices. Then you get the red taste. I just want to create little holes on my chicken. So I'll go ahead and then do it with my skewer. Like that's what I'm doing. It's going to make little holes in it so that the chicken will get most of the spices can get into the chicken and your chicken will be more tastier. So the bear cook on a bed. So I said normal way I don't have time. It has to go into the oven within 1 hour. So when you make it like this, it's ready. So now I'm going to set it aside for 1 hour because normally you can do it 2 or 3 hours, but I don't have time. So 1 hour it's okay. Then we'll put it in the oven. I'm going to set my oven to 200 for 15 minutes. And then after 1 hour, it will just go into the oven. Time for chicken to go into the oven. Let's go. Just have a look. Like the presidential daughter, share the side front. And so a cup. For 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Guys, just have a look. Our chicken is out of the oven. Now we are going to make our honey mustard sauce for our chicken. Just have a look. Time to make our honey mustard sauce. Our honey will go into the oil, and then we'll go ahead and add our mustard. We'll mix everything together. Time to baste our honey mustard sauce on the chicken. Just have a look. It's all this goodness. Look. Just have a look. We'll cover our chicken with the honey mustard sauce. Go ahead and turn my chicken. And also be some, because we want everywhere of the chicken to be covered with some sauce. Just have a look. Then we'll turn it like this, and then we'll baste the rest of our sauce on it. We are going to put it in the oven for just 5 minutes. 5 minutes, just 5 minutes on a high heat. We are putting it back in the oven for 5 minutes on a high heat. Then our chicken is ready. Then we are going to enjoyment. Woo! Our chicken is ready. Just have a look. Wow. Papa B. And your girl. Just have a look. Our spicy honey mustard chicken is ready. Just have a look. Now it's time to serve, and we are going to serve it. Just have a look. Episode 4. Wow. Guys, our spicy honey mustard chicken is ready. Just have a look. It looks so yummy, delicious. This looks so yummy, healthy and delicious. By the way, you are all invited, but it's rather unfortunate you cannot come and eat with us. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious, healthy chicken. But if you're new to this channel, please, guys, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and be part of this great, lovely family. And for my subscribers, whoa, thank you so much. And everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Kiss. I love you. Bye.